Google Keep is one of the easiest and most efficient apps for capturing your thoughts on the go. To get started, open the app and tap the Take a Note field at the bottom of the screen. You can type in a quick note, add a title, or even color code it to stay organized. Want to use voice instead of typing? Just tap the microphone icon to record a voice memo, and Keep will automatically transcribe it for you. You can also add images, drawings, or checklists, perfect for visual thinkers and task management. One of the best features is the ability to label and pin notes for quick access. Just tap the three-dot menu on a note to apply labels or pin important ones to the top of your feed. You can also set reminders by tapping the bell icon, and they will sync with Google Calendar, keeping you on track with deadlines or tasks. If you're collaborating, tap the collaborator icon to share your note with others in real time. Everything you create in Google Keep is synced across your devices, so whether you're on your phone or desktop, your notes are always up to date. It's a lightweight yet powerful way to stay productive, organized, and ready for anything.